Lezi indaba zohora lokuqala sekwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli mukele nazi esinohlonze emini nje.
We are not quite worried that we have not recovered the firearm. We've got other overwhelming evidence.
Kuqalile namhlanje ukuqula kwecala elibhekene noVusumuzi Khet Matlala kanye nabasola abane enkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ngemva ukuthi umbuso uveze ukuthi usukulungele ukuqula kwecala.
The state is not opposed to bail application.
Umbuso uthi ngeke usiphikise isicelo sebheli ecaleni lokwebewa kohlobo lwamatshe ayigugu elibhekene nephini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa aseGruleni elisamisiwe uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi kanye noWitness K oke wethula kubufakazi esigcaweni sekhomishana kaMadlanga.
Today, the 16 branches across 4 local municipalities of the Dr. Roots Mompati region have been affected by rulings.
Uphiko lwentsha lwe-ANC seliveze izikhalo ngohlelo lokuphakanyiswa kwamagama labo abazoba ngamakhansela njengoba usondela ukhetho lohulumeni beyindawo. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni ezohola lokuqala ezinqqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili ku-SABC1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo naku-SABC Liha. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula Mbukeli. Ake singene kuzo ezihamba phambili emini nje. Kuqalile ukuqulwa kwecala elibhekene nosomabhizinisi okusolwa ukuthi ungqondongqondo ecaleni lobugebengu uVusumuzi Khet Matlala kanye ke nabanye abane asolwa nabo enkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ngemva uba umbuso uveze ukuthi usukulungele ukuqulwa kwaleli cala.
uMatlala nabasola ukuhlanganisa umkakhe uTsakani babhekene namacala ahlukene ukubandakanya ukuhlela ukubulawa kukaTebogo Thobejane, ukuzama ukubulala usomabhizinisi uJosi Banyoni kanye nomdidiyeli womculo waziwa ngoDJ Vetis. Umbuso uthi lamacala ngokuhlukana kwawo enzeka phakathi kuka-2022 kanye no-2024. Amaphoyisa athi athole izibhamu ezimbili ezixhumene nalawa macala.
The firearms that were seized on the Amansward case have also been linked to more than 30 cases of murder, attempted murder, your CIT and armed robberies and so on. So I think with the information that we have gathered and the resources that we had pulled together, we are quite confident that we will be able to unpack each accused's role in each case. So we are quite confident that we've got a watertight case.
Umbuso uzophinde wethule obunye ubufakazi enkantolo ngethemba lokuthi abasolwa batholakale benecala.
On the Tebogo Thobejane case, it is true we have not recovered that particular firearm, but through investigative tools and other techniques, we were able to place these hitmen and the hit orderer Khet Matlala and link them to this particular case. So we are not quite worried that we have not recovered the firearm. We've got other overwhelming evidence that links them to this attempted murder. So that is why you see that we are ready for trial and this case has been brought before court.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Updated list of
Umbuso uthi ngeke usiphikise isicelo sebheli ecaleni lokwebewa kohlobo lwamatshe ayigugu elibhekene nephini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa waseGruleni elisamisiwe uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi kanye noWitness K nobethola ubufakazi bakhe esigcaweni sekhomishana kaMadlanga. Labo bobabili kulindele ukuba bafake isicelo sebheli ngokusemthethweni enkantolo yeManti yaseGoli namhlanje kanti bakhalelwe ngamasungo kaSigonyela ngoLwesihlanu ngeinsolo zokunindeka isigamekweni sokwebewa kwamatshe ayigugu ngo-2023 emzini thizeni oseHoughton eGoli. Umshushisi uthi umbuso angeke usiphikise isicelo sebheli.
The state is not opposed to bail application. So 6 things are applicable on this matter. We were not opposed to bail as it stands. We are now in a different courtroom and I understand bail court is done in another court. Perhaps the court may guide us whether we should proceed with that in the other court, that is court 13 as I understand it is.
Lihlehliselo umhlazi ngama-27 kwephezulu icala labasolwa abangama-62 abasolwa ngokuphehla udweshu ngezibhelu zokutapa ey'tolo ngonyaka ka-2021. Abamangalelwa bebebeleke enkantolo eThekwini. Intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uNonhlakanipho Magwaza usihlanganisele lo mbiko.
laphinde lahlehliselwa umhla ka-27 kulenyanga icala labantu abawu-62 abasolwa ngokuthi baphehla udweshu ngezikhathi zeyibhelu ngoJuly 2021. Siye sabona-ke ngaphambilini ukuthi icala beliloke lihlehla ngoba kukhona abasolwa abathathu kade benganabo abameli ngalesa sikhathi sila enkantolo ngoJune. Ijaji ngaleso sikhathi uJudge Hendricks libe selithi-ke uma labasola benganabo abameli kuze kushaya inamhlanje icala lizoqhubeka nokuqulwa, kodwa isithene sifike enkantolo namhlanje sathola ukuthi sekhona nabanye futhi ekade bemelwe abameli abazimele sebethi manje sebefuna ukuthi bamelwe abameli bombuso ngoba bethi imali azisekho zinhle noma iphakethe seliyaxega. Inkantolo ke ibe siyase isho ukuthi ke mekushaya umhla ka-27 kuJuly kuzomela ukuthi wonke umuntu abe ebisemingomumo ukuthi icala liqale ngoba kade lalihlehliswa leli icala ngenxa yemihiqihiqi efana nayo le. Abawu2 ke kuthiwa ke bona ke kade bafaka izicelo zokuthi bamelwe abameli bombuso kodwa banqatshwa ngezizathu ezithile. Bona ke basafake ke izicelo zokuthi phinde futhi abameli laba bombuso babamele kuthiwa nabo ke fanele kushaye uLesihlanu yonke into isime ngomumo ukuthi liqale lelicala ukuthi liqulwe ngomhla ka-27 okumsomluko ozayo. Angibuyele kwena e-studio.
Uphiko lwentsha lwe-ANC esifundeni Dr Ruth Sekgomothi Mompati North West seliveze ukuthi kunezenzo ezingezinhle eziba khona ngokuqokwa kwamakhansela. Lokhala ngokuthi imigomo yeqembu ilandelwa inhlobo maqondana ke nohlelo lokuqokwa kwalabo abazoba ngamakhansela ngemva kokhetho lohulumeni beyindawo.
The challenges confronting the ANC candidate selection process are not isolated to one municipality or a single branch. Today, the 16 branches across 4 local municipalities of the Dr Ruth Mompati region have been affected by rulings.
Ngokophiko lwentsha, i-ANC isiphazanyiswe uqhekeko olukhona ngaphakathi eqenjini ukubikwazi ukwenza kahle.
There's no order in this region. There's no order. The ANC must come and maintain order here. However, the leadership of the ANC, they must know that should they continue to drive the league and young people away, we will not campaign for the ANC.
Unobhala we-ANC esifundazweni uthi ngokolwazi alinikwe uhlaka lwesifundazwe akubangabikho lapho kube nokuphambuka khona.
We have referred a matter back to the region. Their answer is that they are denying those allegations. Whatever they have done is above board. But as I must indicate, we did receive a number of disputes which were referred to the PDRC. So we'll await the Youth League to give us a proper report, and if there are evidences for us to further investigate these issues. We intending to have a clean and a credible process in terms of selections of candidates. Therefore, we will investigate.
Intsha kulesi sifunda ifuna inhlaka ze-ANC esifundazweni nakuzwelonke zingenelele baveze ukuthi ngeke kukhankaswe mangabe lingalungisiwe lolu daba.
Inkantolo ephakeme semgungundlovu kulindela ukuthi ikhiphe isinqumo namhlanje odabeni lokuthi ngabe kumele yini kuqhubeka kuphenywe kabusha ngokudlula emhlabeni kweshoshovu esasilwa nohulumeni wobandlululo. Siphinde ke sibe ngummeli wamalungelo abantu Griffith Mxenge okuzwa kabanzi ngalolu daba. Njengamanje sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uMlondi Radebe. Mlondi, asikubingelele ohlelweni. Ingabe ke lesicao sesimiswe ke kabili njengoba seloku savula ke ngombasa nyaka kenye. Ingabe ke ikuphi nje usekuhlalu ke enkantolo namhlanje?
Asibingelele Daud, sibingelele kumlaleli. Njengamanje sesiphumile isinqumo lapha enkantolo ephakeme yasemgungundlovu iJudge uPete Bezuidenhout ukhiphe isinqumo sokuthi angeke kukwazi ukuthi lolu daba liqhubeke nokuthi lilalelwe njengoba kokufanele ukuthi kuqhutshekwe kwenziwe uphenyo ngako ukufa kaGriffith Mxenge. Uthi lokhu akukho okusemthethweni lapha ekubhalwe khona ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kulalelwe kabusha leli cala ngoba kwaba khona icala ngaphambilini lapho abantu baboshwa khona base sebegwetshwa abanye ba-acquitwa kwase kuthi kamuva kwase kuba khona i-TRC nakhona kwikhomishana lapho bavela phambi kwayo ikhomishana baveza ukuthi benza kanjani kodwa-ke emthethweni akukho la kuzokwenza ukuthi kukwazi ukuthi kuqhutshekwe nokuthi kuphenywe kabusha leli cala usebese sichitha-ke isicelo nje besikade sifakwa umbuso ukuthi-ke uzama ukuthi-ke leli cala liphinde liqhubeke ukuthi kwenziwe lolu phenyo kabusha ukuze kukwazi ukuthi-ke umndeni uthole mhlambe ukuthi ududuzeke njengoba umndeni usazi ukuthi-ke iwona wawuphambili ekutheni-ke leli cala noma idokodo lophenyo alivulwe kabusha ukuze kukwazi ukuthi kwaziwe ukuthi-ke ngabe obani ababethumele abantu ababulala uGriffiths Mxenge. Kanti-ke sikhulumile nawo amalungu omndeni-ke Dawudi uzozwa nje ukuthi sikhulume naye laphayana uNtombodidi Mxenge Makhanya oyindodakazi kaMxenge naye uvezile ukuthi-ke lokhu be umndeni kuyabathusa kodwa-ke okwamanje basazohamba bayofunda yona i-judgment ukuze bazi ukuthi-ke umndeni uthini. Asike simcaphune simuze ukuthi uthini.
I'm satisfied that all legal requirements are adhered to and what legal steps should be taken. The fact that it may be that it is to reopen an inquest does not follow that the further people should be called to testify. The reopening also entails the resolution of legal questions, which, as a procedure, I have followed in the present case. It was submitted by Mr. Noble on behalf of Mr. Sebeku and himself that the court was not told anything unreliable. The superiors were brought to court, but they were acquitted. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission dealt with the matter, and that does not trigger the opening of the inquest. What happened in the trial remained even after amnesty. It was further submitted that of the 5 suspects that were charged, 3 were convicted and 2 were acquitted. The ones convicted were granted amnesty. Mr. Mafamela is one of them to testify if there is further evidence to be led.
Kanti kuma sizophinda silalele omunye umbiko lapho okhuluma khona uNtombodidi Mxenge Makhanya naye eveza kabanzi ukuthi-ke ngakulwakho uhlangothi njengomndeni bona baphatheke kanjani. Asike sizi ukuthi uNtombodidi ubeka kanjani.
Alright mbukeli-ke ngebhadi-ke asinawo-ke leyo clip leyo kodwa-ke sizozama mhlawumbe ukuthi siyithole uma kuqhubeka isikhathi kodwa-ke bekuyona-ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uMlondi Hadebe esibikela bukhoma laphana-ke esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal. Okwamanje mbukeli ake sithi qo ey'tolo sizobuya nezinye izindaba ngemva kwekhefu ngayindawo. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena sikukhumbuza ukuthi le ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Wayengumphathi wezimoto zikamasipala wasemfuleni uvele kafushane enkantolo manje yaseVanderbilt Park namhlanje ngemva kokuboshwa kwakhe ngempela sonto kanti icala lakhe libe selihlehliselwa umhlazi ngama-27 kwephezulu. Umsolwa ubhekene namacala enkohlakalo ukukhwabanisa kanye nokweba.
Ummelo Msolwa wayengumphathi wezimoto zikamasipala emfuleni obhekene namacala enkohlakalo okukhwabanisa nokweba ucele izitatimende zomsolwa azosebenzisa kuleli cala ukuze alungiselele ukufaka isicelo sebheyili.
We are simply seeking just to be given the statement that our client deposed to for purpose of this specific case. I also refer this honorable court to the case, the fundamental case of State versus Green. That is a Supreme Court of Appeal case. This court, your worship, with its experience, I'm quite aware that it is very much mindful of that case, worship, wherein the Supreme Court of Appeal directed that an accused who is subject to make a bail application, as long as he has made a statement, he's entitled to that for purpose of preparation of his bail application, worship.
The purpose of the statement is to prepare for bail application, or is it
for bail application?
Kube sekuhlehliselwa umhlazi ngama-27 kwephezulu ukuqula kwecala nokuyilapho kulindeleke ukuthi umsolwa afake isicelo sebheyili.
Your matter is postponed to 27 July 2026 at 8:30 Court for formal bail application. You will remain in custody, no bail at this stage.
Umsola usazogqunywa esitokisini kuze kufike usuku lokuqula kwecala.
Libuyele enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli icala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Mewa ngemva kokuthatha ke ikhefu amasonto amahlanu. Abamangalelwa bakhala ngokushaya indiva kwamalungelo abejele njengoba bengakwazi ukuxhumana nemndeni yabo kanti ke bathi abakwazi nokugxila eqoleni kwecala ngenxa yokuhlukumezeka njengoba begeza ngamanzi abandayo abanye ke njengoba besenkantolo ke namhlanje abagezile.
Ngaphambi kokuthi leli cala liqale liqulwe, abameli babasolwa batshele inkantolo ngokukhathaza abasolwa ngokuhlukumezeka abakuthola ngaphakathi ejeleni. Basenkantolo nje namhlanje abanye abagezile ngenxa yokuthi abanikwa amanzi okugeza ashisayo.
The water issue gets compounded by the fact that they are now living in darkness. There are no lights there. Throughout, it's a 24-hour thing, as he's telling me, and there are no telephone lines that are available for them to call their families.
No lights, no telephones?
Yes.
Abameli bacele abasolwa kuba bayiswe kwamanye amajele anazo zonke izinsiza njengoba ejele iKhosi Mampuru akhona amanzi ashisayo.
We can't request a transfer to other prisons.
Yes,
where there will be hot water, there will be ablution water, as you call it,
yes,
and there will be flushing toilets.
I think, my lord, that would be the best solution to this problem. Maybe to transfer them to other prisons.
Namhlanje ke bekulindeleke ukuthi kungene ebhokisini lofakazi ukhomishana wendawo uKhoza kodwa akakwazanga ngenxa yokuba ngatasa uzokwazi ukufika kusasa. Inkantolo ke ibisicela kuqhutshekwe necala njengoba ufakazi uqinisela Mthelizi akaze aphindisele ejele KwaZulu-Natal.
I'm advised that Mr. Buthelezi was never taken back to his prison of origin during the recess, and I raised this issue because the last time he was wearing these clothes and he's still wearing the same clothes. He came with absolutely nothing and he was kept here for 5 weeks, my lord.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Liyaqhubeka enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehlele lithikisiki icala labayisithupha abasola ngokusoco ngabantu abayishumi esigodini saseNgobozane eEastern Cape. Kanti ukuzwa kabanzi ngokuqhubeka enkantolo njengamanje sixhumana ke nentatheli yeSABC uNomzwanele Mngoma. Nomzwanele, asikubingelele sikwamukela ezindabeni ke zehora lokuqala mina besacela nje usithathe sibeke esithombeni ngokuqhubeka enkantolo namhlanje.
Manbulisana kubabukeli emakhaya namhlanje ke uNdamase uqale ke ngokuthethisana nengqina elikulindeleke into yokuba alibize enkundleni kodwa ke elongqina ke sikholelwa into yokuba lingqina elingaphakathi ejele eWellington. iWellington ke ijele leyo uNdamase waye kuyo okanye wabanjwa ekuyo njengoba exoxa elityala ukuze asiwe eBhongweni. Kodwa ke uthe xa ingena ngaphakathi enkundleni waqala ngokwenza isicelo sokuba sivunyelwe thina singonondaba into yoba sikwazi ukusebenza ngaphakathi ecourt sisebenzisa icameras njengokuba esitsho esithi nasekuqaleni ngokuba ityatyekwa amatyala sasivunyelwe samveza kwilizwe lonke. Ucela ke ngokwento yoba siphinde sivunyelwe into yoba athi nangoku azamayo ukuzidefenda akwazi ukubonakaliswa kwilizwe lonke ezidefenda esiza nobungqina bakhe. Uye wahamba ke emveni koko waqhubeka phofu ecela ebuza kwinkundla into yoba ingaba unalo na ilungelo lokuba ase i-decision okanye i-ruling eyenziwa yicourt eyokuba njengoba uyokhumbula into yoba wayeke wafaka isicelo sokuba amatyala atyatyekwa wona asuswe. Namhlanje ke uye waphinda wanalombuzo wokuba ingaba unalo na ilungelo lokuba ase lo decision yenziwa yicourt kwenye inkundla into yokuba afumane isigqibo esingafaniyo nesiwasifumanayo kulena inkundla. Kodwa ke uye waqhubeka nokunikeza izizathu zokuba esithi lena inkundla khange izinake izizathu zokuba iwasuse amatyala kuye. Esitsho esithi ingqina lombuso elaziswayo uLwando Aphi waye waxoka under oath esizisa ubungqina ebungobubo kwaye esitsho esithi wasetyenziswa sistate ukuba atyabeke uNdamase ngezityholo okanye amtyabeke ngetyala kuba istate sifuna into yokuba uNdamase awelwe lityala. Kodwa ke okwangoku besenza eso sicelo sokuba efuna ukubhenela kwenye inkundla azothi ayibekele izizathu zokuba efuna kususwe amatyala ngokuye. Mandibisele intambo kuni estudio.
Sibonga kakhulu umbukelweni kintatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uNomzanele Ngoma esipikela bukhoma eliselikisiki esifundazweni i-Eastern Cape. Mbukele sathi qhu eyitola kanti uma sibuya sizobe sikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu wena ungayindawo. Mbukele sizibeka la bese kuphathele zona mina umagama nxake lihlanu ke ehlangabeza ke oza kwethu nezindaba ngolimi lesindebele kanti ke thina siyabuya ke nezinye izindaba uma kubumbana ehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa kwamanje mbukeli usale kahle.